Hey everyone, so today we're here at Slammered in South Florida. We're installing the front section of my GTHAUS exhaust while I wait for the rear section to come in. I also bought a GSF rear spoiler and carbon fiber that we are installing as well. Right now I currently have my spoiler wrapped in carbon fiber for the time being. We're going to put the real one on, install the exhaust, take some videos before and after and show you guys how it sounds. Stay tuned.
I like the hand. So these have a shoulder on them, so you want them to bottom out. So
I have to stop you with this thing.
I know, but see, that's the feel. Like, obviously, you do it long enough, and you know.
Yeah.
So see how, like this is an example of what they do. See how like it moves a little bit, but that spring is always pushing that flange closed, so that's what keeps it, steel. So that's it.
That's it?
These two, that one.
Then this one?
These two, and this one needs a little more.
Just got home from installing the front section of the GTHAUS exhaust and the GSF rear spoiler on my Lexus. I think I'm going to post some before and after videos, before with the exhaust stock. Won't sound like much, but and then the after of just the front section, and then of course the full exhaust once it's installed. I just got notice that my exhaust will be here next week. I'm going to do an unboxing video. We'll bring it over to Slammered, we'll install it, and then see the true sound of the Lexus GS350 with GTHAUS installed. Can't wait to show you guys. Let me know if you want to hear the sound clips in the comments below. Leave me a comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.